This is the AI News Flash for May 13th, 8 a.m. UTC. First up, defense technology startup Anduril Industries has raised $5 billion in a deal that nearly doubles its valuation to $61 billion, according to the Financial Times. Anduril, led by Palmer Luckey, develops AI-powered autonomous drones, counter-drone defense systems, and the Lattice Combat Command and Control platform. The new valuation marks a dramatic doubling from just months ago when it stood above $30 billion, symbolizing investor enthusiasm for the defense AI market. This follows Shield AI's $20 billion valuation after a $2 billion raise, Saronic's Autonomous Navy at $1.75 billion, and Helsing's European Defense AI, all marking the full-scale boom in defense technology investment. Against the backdrop of continued geopolitical risk from the Ukraine war, Iran conflict, Taiwan Strait tensions, and Gaza situation, Anduril continues rapid growth as a key U.S. Department of Defense partner. Alongside Palantir's Maven Smart System and Shield AI's maritime autonomous systems, it represents a critical milestone in the defense AI implementation phase. News 2. A former star researcher from Alibaba has launched a new AI lab and is seeking fundraising at a $2 billion valuation, according to an exclusive report from The Information. Top researchers from China's AI industry are increasingly leaving major tech companies to launch emerging AI labs. A core figure behind Alibaba's Qwen series of large language models has departed to pursue independent AI foundation model development at a $2 billion valuation. This follows Moonshot AI at $18 billion, Minimax's Hong Kong IPO, and Zhipu AI, representing the latest in a wave of Chinese AI researcher entrepreneurship. It symbolizes accelerating AI talent outflows from major tech companies like ByteDance, Alibaba, and Tencent, and the expansion of the independent AI lab ecosystem. Amid the US-China AI hegemony battle, China's independent AI foundation model development ecosystem is shifting from being centered around major companies to being driven by independent startups alongside DeepSeek V4's open-source strategy, accelerated Huawei Ascend AI chip procurement, and Alibaba Cloud's 5-year $100 billion investment. It represents a key development in China's AI technology independence strategy. News 3. Chinese AI stocks have surged. NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang's last-minute decision to accompany President Trump's China visit has fueled market expectations of resumed H200 advanced AI chip supplies to China. Bloomberg reports, Huang was initially excluded from the delegation, but joined after a direct phone call from Trump boarding Air Force One in an unusual development. The market quickly interpreted this as building political momentum toward approving H200 chip sales to China. Chinese AI stocks, including Cambricon, SMIC, Hikvision, and iFlytek surged broadly, accelerating Chinese domestic AI infrastructure investment and expanding AI application market expectations drove buying, drawing attention to China's entry into the US-China AI semiconductor supercycle. Meanwhile, AI semiconductor export control discussions ahead of the Trump XC US-China summit remain tense. The decisive moments of US-China AI geopolitics continue, including the 75,000 unit per customer cap on H200 chips, continued Blackwell and Vera Rubin export bans, accelerating Huawei Ascend AI chip procurement, and DeepSeek V4's open-source strategy. News 4. Amazon Web Services has added a new capability to WorkSpaces that lets AI agents directly operate legacy desktop applications without requiring APIs, according to InfoQ. AWS WorkSpaces is a virtual desktop service, and the new feature enables AI agents to autonomously operate legacy applications through mouse clicks, keyboard input, and screen recognition. This delivers AI access to decades-old enterprise systems, including legacy SAP ERP systems, mainframe terminals, and proprietary business applications that have no exposed APIs. Alongside Microsoft's Copilot Studio, ServiceNow's AI Control Tower, and Salesforce's Agentforce. This represents an important milestone in the full-scale enterprise AI agent market. It offers an innovative solution to the legacy system modernization challenge through AI agent autonomous execution, removing the biggest bottleneck in enterprise AI implementation. Alongside SAP Sapphire 2026's Autonomous Enterprise Vision, the JP Morgan Chase General Ledger AI upgrade, and Ericsson's 90,000-hour reduction, it represents a development symbolizing the full-scale arrival of the enterprise AI agent era. News 5. A new AI tool has demonstrated the potential to replace costly cancer gene expression profiling tests. Technology Networks reports in detail. Researchers have demonstrated that AI analysis of tissue pathology images can identify cancer gene expression patterns that previously required expensive genomic testing. By having AI models accurately predict complex gene expression signatures from digital pathology images, the breakthrough delivers dramatic test cost reductions and faster treatment decision-making. Alongside Tempus AI's oncology AI platform, Roche's PathAI acquisition, the Merck Mayo Clinic AI Drug Discovery Partnership, Altera AI Breast FDA approval, and the AstraZeneca Okin Agreement. This represents a key milestone in the full-scale adoption of AI cancer diagnostic support tools. Alongside the accumulation of over 115 FDA-approved AI medical devices, and the new U.S. Medicare payment model designed for AI utilization. This is a symbolic case of the full-scale arrival of medical AI implementation. As a groundbreaking development directly linked to improving global cancer diagnosis access, including in developing countries, and democratizing precision oncology, it brings major impact to the medical AI market. That's all for this AI news flash.